These beautiful peel and stick tiles. Came back from Utica. I am feeling so bad right now. It's my daughter just playing with her hands and stuff, and she's making like a gurgling sound. So terrible. I don't know if it's food poisoning or what. Like, I have terrible belly aches, and I'm just taking liquid IV. I'm taking Pepto-Bismol. Just, I don't know. Like, it's weird when things like that happen when you travel. Like, does that happen to anyone? Like, when you travel, you go somewhere and then you come back and then all of a sudden you're not well, just, you know, going through it. I don't think it's a cause to go to the hospital. I think I just need to really like rest and rejuvenate myself for a little bit. I wanted to unbox my peel and stick tile that I got, but I'm just gonna wait and figure that part out later because I need to lay down and probably watch and just like that and keep on hydrating. I don't know what's going on with me. We'll get through this. I just took off most of the stuff off the counter for me to start this backsplash extravaganza. Your girl is down bad. I am still sick. I'm still struggling through it. I figured, why not just put my energy and my mind towards something else and get this kitchen refreshed, and let's see what my body allows me to do today. Hopefully I can get enough footage for you guys. You know, my mind is like on a scramble, so I hope it's not as hard as it should. Cleaned up most of the area. I still have the other side of the where the sink is to clean and everything and just get rid of stuff. So we're just gonna start. Here are these beautiful peel and stick tiles. I just love these so much. Brownie kind of thing going on in the background. It's has these beautiful gold detail on it, and I think it would just kind of add some type of brightness to the back. Like I think this could work. Like this, we can definitely do it. Count one. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I lost all the audio to this. I thought the mic was on, but it wasn't. So basically, I'm talking about all of the beauty that came about that backsplash and um more things that I'm looking forward to doing as far as like home decor. I wouldn't necessarily say it's home decor, but maybe like my apartment refresh. Those are the along the lines of what I'm saying, and doing my makeup at the same time, trying to make myself look better than I was looking dead before, and just trying to refresh myself. There is bathroom renovations going on in my house right now. Um, there is a contractor replacing the vanity and the mirror and the light in the bathroom, which I am so grateful for. I mean, I am paying for it, so everything gotta be on point. You gotta see where your money's going. Anywho, I am still talking about all the renovations going on and stuff, and I have some ideas and things, that little coves in the house and little nooks and crannies that I want to redecorate and restyle in the house. Up, doing my eyebrows now. Look at that. And I think I put on a lot of blush too. But yeah, that's along the lines of what I'm saying, And I also am asking you guys to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you like what I'm talking about, I love editing, I love coming on here. It's another creative outlet for me. I think I am having so much fun here, and I'm gonna keep consistently uploading videos to all my 4 subscribers. I am hoping for maybe 10 subscribers by the end of this month. That is a little goal that I am trying to accomplish. So if you come across this video, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. It is going to be so much fun and laughs here. So please go ahead and do that. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am still doing my makeup and still yapping along and not realizing that my audio is off. So I'm going to end the video here, and you enjoy your day. Bye.